If you use Evernote for work, school, or personal notes, and you need to manage more than one account, this video is going to make your life a lot easier. Today I'm showing you exactly how to switch between multiple Evernote accounts on the desktop app, step by step, so you can move from one workspace to another without confusion. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on your account name or profile picture. This area is where Evernote keeps your account options, and it's also where you'll manage multiple logins. Next, from the menu that appears, click Add Accounts. This is the option that lets you connect a second Evernote account to the same app. Now enter the email address and password for your second account. Double-check your login details before continuing, because if there's a typo, the sign-in won't work properly. After that, click Continue. Once you do that, Evernote will automatically restart. That restart is completely normal. It happens because the app needs to securely load the new account in its workspace. So if the app closes and reopens, don't worry. That means it's working correctly. After the second account has been added, you can switch between your accounts whenever you want. To do that, go back to the top left corner again and click on your account name or profile picture. One more time. This time, you should see a drop-down menu listing all of the accounts you've added to Evernote. From the list, simply click the name of the account you want to use. Evernote will restart again as it switches over to that account. This is normal as well, because the app is loading the new notes, notebooks, and settings securely in the background. If you manage a personal account and a work account, this is especially useful because you can keep everything separate while still using the same desktop app. It's also a great way to stay organized if you have different projects, clients, or study notes split across multiple accounts. Just remember that every time you switch accounts, Evernote may restart. So if you're in the middle of something, save your work first, and then switch when you're ready. That way, you avoid losing any progress or accidentally closing something important. And that's it. Now you know how to add a second Evernote account and switch between multiple accounts with ease. It only takes a few clicks once the accounts are set up, and after that, moving between them is quick and straightforward. If this video helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.